Hi everybody, in this video we will discuss about nature of images. So normally in every exam we will get nature of images and also like find the position of image or whatever like these questions definitely will observe in each and every exam. So let us discuss now how to find the nature of image or like what type of image. Okay, is nothing but so actually there are 7 types of images are there. First one, real image, virtual image, inverted, erect, magnified or enlarged image, diminished or small image, and also last one, same size of image. So definitely we can get from these 7 types of images only. So what is what, like how to remember or how to identify, let us discuss now. Okay. So first of all, let us discuss about real image. Real image which is caught by the screen only is nothing but obtained on the screen. By using what mirror we can get real image, let us discuss. So first of all, mostly we can get real images for the by using the concave mirror. It is a concave mirror because rough surface is in the outside and inside has a smooth surface. It is a inward bended mirror. Okay, so then the line which is passing and midpoint of the mirror is called pole, and the line which is passing through pole and the center of curvature is called principal axis, and the focus will be existing between pole and the center of curvature. Okay, so then if the image is present at infinity, is nothing but placed at infinity, then we can, how do we can consider the rays? All rays we can consider like parallel beam of the rays only. Parallel beam is nothing but parallel to the principal axis. All incident rays we can consider parallel to the principal axis. Then the direction also will be like this way, means right to left only, because smooth surface is present at the left side. Then after intersecting of this mirror, the rays will be bounce back, is nothing but reflects back only. Then after reflection, the rays passing through focus, all like this only. So downwards also like that. When where they will meet is called like focus, and then so then due to these converging rays only we can get real image. So real image is nothing but which is caught by the screen or caught on the like obtained on the screen only. So example is like projector, like in theaters we can observe the screen like of whatever images which is formed on the screen only. So those all are belongs to real images. Now let us see virtual image. Not obtained on the screen is nothing but not caught by the screen only. Okay, and also then it will be forms mostly by using the diverging rays. So then we can consider here convex mirror. Convex mirror has inside rough surface and outside has a smooth surface. Again midpoint of the convex mirror is called pole, and the line which is passing through pole and the center of curvature is called principal axis, and the focus is existing between pole and the center of curvature. But here smooth surface is outside only, is nothing but like it is out, it is a outward bended mirror. Is the parallel beam of rays will be passing from left to right, that's what we can consider like this direction. Okay, and then it is a principal axis also, and then after intersecting this mirror like outward mirror or like a convex mirror, then it will be bounce back and then it will be diverging from the mirror only, and after enlarging or like after expanding these lines, then they will meet at this point. Then they will join at this point only, like is called like focus. So depending upon focus only we can get image, we know that. So here due to this diverges rays we can get this image, that's what it is a virtual image. Then we cannot caught on the screen or we cannot obtain on the screen. Virtual image is formed due to this diverging rays, and then real image which is forms for this converging rays only. Okay, next image is inverted image. So what is inverted image, let us see. So for example it is a object. Okay, object is like top to bottom, and then image will be forms as like upwards to downwards, is nothing but like a reverse diagram only. Like top to bottom is nothing but like AB, it is a AB object. Then image will be forms as like BA. or like is nothing but B will be downwards and then like this one. Means like upwards down. Okay, or top to top will forms as like bottom, and then bottom side will be forms as like upside only. So reverse the diagram we can get it. So that is called inverted image. Next, magnified or enlarged image is nothing but increasing in its size of the object is called like magnified or enlarged image is nothing but, for example, this is an object, okay, object which is AB, and then image will be forms as like big size, okay, big size, maybe either it is inverted or like same erect. So then also it is called like a magnified image, magnified or enlarged image. Next, diminished or small image. Image will be forms as like smaller than the object only. So it is a object AB. Then image will be forms as like A dash B dash will be forms as like smaller than this object. So that is called diminished or small image. Next, erect image is nothing but which is having same position only. Is nothing but like, for example, this is a object AB. Again, image also we can get either diminished or enlarged, but same position. Means top to bottom will be, again we can get like up to down like that one. So same position only. Okay, so that is called erect image. Next, size, same size of the image is nothing. Size of the image and size of the object also will be having same in size is called like same size of the image. Mostly we can get the object is placed at the center of curvature, then we can get same size of the image only. Okay, so these all are nature of images. We can remember very easily. There is a small variation between object and image only. Okay.